All about apples. Table of contents. Topic, page number. Introduction, page 3. Apple life cycle, page 4. Apple types, page 5. Where apples are grown, page 6. Apple creations, page 7. Glossary, page 8. Introduction. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But where do apples come from? What else can they be used for? There are so many interesting things to learn about this delicious fruit. Fun fact, it takes about 36 apples to create 1 gallon of apple cider. That's a lot of apples. Apple life cycle. Apples start as a seed. When the seed is planted, it will be grown into a sapling, then a tree. In the spring, the branches will start to get buds. As it gets warmer, the buds will bloom into beautiful flowers. As the spring goes on, the flowers disappear and apples are left behind. They continue to grow and get brighter. In the fall, the apples are ripe and ready to be picked. They have new seeds inside that can be planted to start the cycle over again. The next time you bite into an apple, look for the seeds. Apple types. When you picture an apple, you probably think of the classic shiny red fruit. Apples actually come in all kinds of shapes and colors. There are hundreds of apple varieties. Some types are rarer than others, like the black diamond apple or the pink pearl apple. You can find most popular types of apples right at your grocery store. Next time you go see how many types of apples you can find. Where are apples grown? Apples are grown all over the world. Different types are grown in different places. Most apples are grown in China, the United States, and France. Apples grow on trees in areas called orchards. You might be able to visit an orchard and pick your own apples during the fall. Fun fact, the United States grows over 200 types of apples. Apple creations. An apple is a tasty snack all on its own, but you can also use them to create all kinds of different treats. It is amazing how one fruit can be used in so many ways. Have you tried any of these apple treats? Applesauce, candied apples, apple cider, apple pie, apple donuts, or apple bagels. Yum! Glossary. Buds. A young flower that is ready to bloom. Page 4. Ripe. A fruit that is ready to be picked or eaten. Sapling. A young tree. Orchard. Land planted with fruit trees. Varieties. Different types of something.